Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to the newly renovated Delacorte Theater in Central Park. It's a full circle moment since Hamilton began at the Public Theater. I'm thrilled that we premiere our film back at the Public in the People's Theater. I have a lot of people to thank, and I'm not going to thank them all by name because it's 10 years worth of people that have gotten us to this moment. But I want to thank the good folks at Disney, first of all, for releasing this movie when we needed it in 2020. And now releasing it the way our incredible director Tommy Kail intended it, to be seen by a group of people together. So thank you to Bob Iger and Alan Bergman and David Greenbaum, my buddy Tom McDougall, everybody at Disney for making this possible and helping us celebrate the 10th anniversary of Hamilton with as many people on as many screens as possible. I want to thank the Public Theater, and I also want to just thank my dad, whose idea it was to have the premiere here. And obviously called in a favor to give us a perfect night of weather, so that we're not watching this movie in ponchos, as I've watched many a wonderful Shakespeare production here. I want to thank the Hamilton producing team for having an amazing 10th anniversary from beginning to end. Maggie and Jeffrey and the incredible cast and crew. So many OGs are here tonight. We were doing press outside and people kept asking me, what was it like filming this? Do you have any memories? And I have very few, because we were really tired and we filmed it on our day off. But what I remember was thinking, there will never be a group of superheroes like this under one roof again. And I'm so happy to see you all again, and that we all get to share this one more time and get the premiere we never got to have 5 years ago. I want to thank Uncle Ron Chernow for writing a great book. You wrote a hell of a book, Ron. Thank you. It's the reason we're all here. Thank you for coming to the People's Theater. It is the great joy of my life that I get to write things that people gather in the dark to go see. It is the great privilege of my life to get to make things with extraordinary people who make my work better. Again, I want to thank Tommy Kail. This is his movie you're seeing tonight. I want to remind you, or maybe inform you, that we have a 10-minute intermission like it's a proper night at the theater. So you can go take a piss in our bigger bathrooms, or get some more snacks. There's some exclusive footage of the OG cast that we filmed the day after we performed at the Tonys this year. So I hope you enjoy that. Please enjoy Hamilton. Thank you.